This is IGNIS III Mini. Smaller kit, faster deployment, made to move. The drone-based aerial ignition system engineered for rapid deployment during critical wildland fire management operations. Whether navigating a narrow burn window or adapting to shifting conditions on a wildfire, rapid response is critical. IGNIS III Mini is lightweight and highly mobile. With a toolless, snap-together setup, you can move from truck or UTV to the launch site and be in the air in minutes. By operating on a smaller drone with a tighter kit, the entire footprint is condensed into just 3 cases. IGNIS III Mini enables interior ignition from the air, keeping ground crews out of harm's way, while also extending access to areas that are either difficult or impossible to reach on foot. Integrated thermal imaging allows for total command, monitoring fire progression in real time, managing smoke impacts, and safely securing containment lines. It's a force multiplier that delivers next-level aerial ignition without the massive aviation price tag. IGNIS III Mini, the next evolution in fire management. Drone amplified. Extend your reach, keep your boots on the ground.